I know starting a painting can be challenging sometimes, especially if you have trouble starting out with a blank page. This video series shows how I start painting on paper by making freeform abstracts with mixed media. This is part 3, and I'll add links to the other videos below. I hope it can give you ideas on how you can start painting and get past the blank page. On this page, I start by adding puddles of water with a brush, and then I drop fluid paint into the water. I enjoy seeing the paint as it moves freely over the page. Here I'm using white acrylic ink to add splatters. I drag water around the outside of the splatters to loosen it up and to help it to flow. After adding these splashes or puddles of paint, I use my brush to make streams from one puddle to the next. I was experimenting and I wanted to see how the colors would mix together. I continued the process until I was happy with the way the page looked. I was really happy with all of the different colors and splatters and splashes and drips, and I just set it aside to let it dry until I was ready to move on. After the pages are dry, you might want to add more details like I do here. Even though most or all of your page will be covered up, these bottom layers will add depth and interest to your final artwork or project. You can use the same supplies in different ways or use different supplies and tools. It's totally up to you what you want to use for this next layer. You just want to go in and add whatever marks, just like I am here, or add contrast with different colors. Just experiment and have fun. After I was finished painting, I left the pages out to dry. Next week, I'll show you how I use these pages to make other projects, and also I'll show you how I use them to create a finished painting. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what supplies you're working with. Thanks for watching.